Do you know? Cleaning and lubricating drive chain at regular intervals as per the service procedure helps smoother operations, slows down the wear on other parts, saving time, money, and hassle. Over a period of time, grease and dust gets accumulated on the chain and prevents its smoother movement, leading to faster wear out of the pins and rollers, resulting in chain stretch. It also makes more noise, shifts less smoothly, and is in more danger of breaking due to internal stresses brought down by use and rust. Clean the drive chain with dry cloth with the help of True Spray. Lubricate the chain by rotating the rear wheel by hand in forward direction. After lubrication, let the vehicle be parked for 10 to 15 minutes. Please remember, always wear gloves for protection of hands. Always use the chain lube or chain cleaner with extension pipe. Never apply grease on O-ring chains for lubrication. Do not start or keep the vehicle in geared condition while chain maintenance. Do not use a steam cleaner, a high-pressure cleaner, a wire brush, non-recommended solvent, or abrasive cleaner for your vehicle's drive chain cleaning that can damage the part